welcome to another week of the top 10 trending dancehall songs. And without no further ado, these are the top 10 trending dancehall songs for this week. Let's go. Here we go. At the number 10 spot, who do we have? Alright, so we have Ja Vinci and Northern Mother Still and Not Nice Karma at the number 10 spot. Let's go. At the number 9 spot, who do we have? Little Vibes and Vibes Cartel, my brother. Let's go. At number 8 spot, who do we have? Top Banks, Steel Chest and Rich Papers. Let's go. At number 7 spot, who do we have? Meds Bars. Just do that. Just do it. Let's go. But at number 6 spot, who do we have? Skipper and DJ Mac. Reckless. Let's go. At number 5 spot, who do we have? Jammer. Father. At number 4 spot, we have Marshall Montano. Encore. Let's go. At number 3rd spot, who do we have? Portage featuring Damian Jr. Gang Marley. At the foot. Let's go. At number 2nd spot, who do we have? James Beloved and Bless featuring Scatalopa. Let's go. At number 1 spot, who do we have? Skipper, DJ WYFL. Let's go. Yeah, so those are the top 10 trending dancehall songs for this week, you know what I mean? Stay tuned for next week. Let's go. But